how to reset progress in Need for Speed. If you want a fresh start, here is how to reset your game progress in Need for Speed on your phone. Let's open our Need for Speed application. So for the first, you have to close the game, then open your iPhone's settings application. Tap onto the settings, then select General. From the General, you have to go on iPhone storage. And from the storage, you have to go and select Need for Speed in the list. As you can see, it's taking time on my screen to load, but you can find the app and just tap on it. After tapping the Need for Speed, then you have to delete the app. This removes all the games and all save progress tied to the local storage. Then you have to head back to the App Store. Then search for Need for Speed and reinstall it to start fresh. If your game was linked to Facebook, Google or EA, you might need to use a new account to fully reset progress. And that's how to restart your progress in Need for Speed on your phone.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more tutorials. Drop a comment if you have question or suggestion for future videos. And don't forget to check out our playlist. See you in the next one.